Hey guys, I'm back out in the shop today, and I'm building a little Pecker, another one, but this one's going to a friend of mine, lives in Norway. So Swangen77, I hope you like this. Happy birthday, buddy. I'm not going to post this video until after Swangen gets it and lets me know how he likes it. But this is just going to be a repeat build of this hammer with a couple of modifications that actually Mark Dennison requested. So I'll demonstrate that, and then of course I'll do it live next Wednesday. But like I said, that'll all be done by the time y'all see this video. So I guess I'll start out on the lathe, and we'll turn the handle. We'll put the 1.5 degree taper on this end, turn it down 15/16 for the collet chuck for later on. That's part of the modification that I didn't do to this that I'm going to do in the future. And then once we do that, I'll knurl it, and we'll talk as we go about what we're doing. But at any rate, let's go to the lathe. All right, we'll start out by facing each end off, and then we'll work on the taper. Alright, so we'll start at this end and use the maximum amount of taper that I can get out of my tool. Alright, so on the hammer head, I need this these two mating surfaces to match pretty good. So I turn this down to right at 3/4 of an inch, and which is 750 thousandths. And then the modification is a notch that goes across this that we'll do over at the mill, and that keeps it from slipping in any fashion after you tighten it up. So I'll continue on down. I'm about 6 thousandths shy of 750 thousandths, and I'll turn that down, and then we'll start working the other end. Oh, actually, yeah, I guess I need to thread the hole first before we turn it over, so I'll go ahead and set up to drill and tap that. Okay, we got a couple of threads started. I'll go ahead and take the part out and finish threading it over here to the side. Well, there you have the handle so far. I've done all we can on the lathe, so I'll set this over by the mill and I'll go ahead and start making the head part of it. cover on it to help the thread die go on. Okay, that does it for the brass side. Once we put it all together, I'll face this off and turn all three pieces to one dimension. Okay, we'll start with the Delrin side, do the same thing. Going down to 370, and we're gonna put the thread die on it. And like I said, whenever I get the center part of the hammer put together, I'll put them all together and we'll turn it down as one unit. All right, now that we got it turned down, I'm going to clean some of this mess up and I'll put the thread die on it and we'll finish this up. Alright, I've got all 3 parts in the chuck now. I'm going to go ahead and start whittling this down and get everything down to one size. And then we'll go over to the milling machine and finish it up. what I need to do, I need to find the center of this workpiece. So what we'll use the little wobbly thing, and we'll locate this edge and this edge, split that in half, and that'll give us the center here. And then we'll go from this edge to this edge, split that in half, and that'll give us dead center here. So we'll drill the hole for the bolt to go through, and then I'll switch over to the 3/4 inch end mill to make the pocket for the handle to go in. And after I do that, I'll show you the modification that I'm doing to the little peckers from now on. So alright, now that we got the 3/4 inch end mill in, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and come down. I think it's 125 thousandths I've changed it to. But we'll put a recess in here for the handle to fit down in, and then we'll do the other modification. Okay, so the modification goes as this. This is how I was doing all of the hammers before, and I think it was Mark Dennison was concerned that if the bolt came loose that the handle could spin. So what I've decided to do to modify that, I'm taking a 1/4 inch end mill and I'm going to cut a slot across this diameter. And then on the handle I'll do the same thing, and I'll have a male-female type joint there that won't allow it to move at all. So that should eliminate any chance at all of anything moving. Alright, that ought to be plenty deep enough. I'll go ahead and set up the handle and the other chuck and do it, and then I'll roll this over and cut the relief for the screw. Alright, so I'm going to be clamping onto this part, and I don't want to mess up my knurl, so what I've done is I've wrapped it in paper. It's an old trick an old machinist taught me a long time ago. Yes, you do take a chance of getting off a little bit, but it's not that critical for what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm using a 1/4 inch end mill, and I've had to find the center, which I have, and I need that slot a 1/4 inch across. So what I had to do is take the bit to the center line, move it up 125 thousandths. I'll make that cut. Okay guys, I'm back up with you. I guess my camera shut off for some reason. I'm not real sure what happened. I think the last thing that you saw me do, I was drilling the hole and getting ready to put the socket head screw relief in here. And I don't understand what happened. My video quit video, and I don't know, some of that techno stuff, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to pick up right here, and I've already completed all the machine work on it. Unfortunately, you guys didn't get to see that. I promise, actually, a lot of you guys, by the time this video comes out, you have seen me do that. So this is the end result. You can see the little slot that I put in the counter bore here, and that will mate up with the lugs that I machined on the actual hammer, or hammer handle. But anyway, let's see how it fits together. I've already test fitted it. It seems to fit pretty good. I've deburred it, which was a pain because those little bitty parts are hard to get down into with anything. But the bolt goes in nicely. Okay, there you have it. Finished product. Like I said, Swangen doesn't even, at the time of this video, has no idea that I'm sending this to him. It's for his birthday, so I'm going to try to get it in the post tomorrow so that it makes it to his house in Norway. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks. I've sent him things before, and he sent us stuff as well for Christmas and whatnot. But at any rate, I hope you guys liked the video. This one's kind of long video for what I do out here, but I really enjoy making these little peckers. It's just a soft blow hammer with replaceable ends on it. And I made Carl H one too, but I really don't know why I didn't do the brass and Delrin. I really wish I had of now. I hope he has time at his place to go ahead and machine it out and put these on if he would like to, or get with me. I'll make him a new head. I don't know. But at any rate, I hope you guys like the video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and it's been fun. And again, Swangen, happy birthday. I hope you like the hammer. So you guys take care. I'll see you on the next video.